Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to start. Make sure Snapchat is updated and your phone has a passcode or biometric enabled. Open Snapchat and navigate to the chat screen or camera. Once there, locate the photo you want to hide, either in chats, memories, or a saved camera roll import. Tap and hold the snap or open the memory, then press the three-dot menu or long press options. This first touch moves you into the controls you'll use to archive or secure that image. Now move the photo into a secure area. Save the image to memories by selecting Save or Export to Memories. That stores it inside Snapchat instead of your camera roll. Next, select the Memories tab, tap the image, hit the three-dot menu, and choose Move to My Eyes Only. You'll be prompted to create or enter a passcode. Choose a strong code you'll remember. This encrypts the photo and removes it from regular browsing, keeping it hidden from casual viewers. Finish by verifying the image is only visible inside My Eyes only and not in your main memories or camera roll. If duplicates exist, delete them from the camera roll to avoid exposure. Make sure Snapchat backups are configured to avoid accidental loss. If you can't access My Eyes only later, don't panic. Passcode recovery is limited. Follow Snapchat's official recovery prompts and remember any hint you set. If problems persist, contact Snapchat support while protecting account credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.